every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me. Thrifting!
Hey.
That was a vacation.
Oh, it was nice. Did you guys miss me?
I only come in 2-3 days last week.
Only? That's more than usual, isn't it?
No, I was coming in 6 days a week before that.
What'd I miss? I miss anything?
No, it broke down a few times,
Of course.
as usual.
Where's the old man at today?
He cut out already.
No, I knew it. I figured I'd miss him.
There you go.
Pubic hair wax kit. How'd you know? What is that? Look, no cavities. Look at that. It's a clean one. The apex predator. Oh, not much. You find anything?
Oh, I just got here.
Same.
You gotta look at it.
Yeah, I think I just got here, but one is the newest one.
Oh, the new one?
Yeah. There's water. There's water in that gun, so don't shoot it, okay? This dog looks so sad. Might be all right. Kind of out of season now. So Funko. What's that? Who's this?
My name is Jeff.
Jeez.
Captain John Jim's Anchor Inn.
Never found him before. Little turtle. Wish. I can't believe Bryce left without seeing me. Like,
He didn't even mention you.
I figured he'd be all excited. He didn't even think about me. Daddy.
What are you still doing?
Hey.
You just got here, didn't you?
Yeah, I just got here.
No,
What'd you
you've
find?
been here all day.
It's LOL vinyl. It's not real. Hot as hell in here. That's interesting. No. Nah. Oh, Popple. Vintage toy. I don't know. It's like
Sand.
sand, yeah. putty. Avon. It smells like Avon over here. Jeez. Jeez. Holy shit. Don't see anything. There's a bunch of junk over here. I'm going back over here. Who's that? 1975 Mattel. It goes to a game. This. No. Ah. Pampered Chef. No. Got a hole in it.
Get a frog?
Maybe. Brass man. Yeah. Pass on that. Mike was grabbing those. I don't know if he still is. That was like a year ago. Look at that French bulldog.
That's an old one. That's neat.
Man, I'd love to have another dog, but it's too much.
A lot of work.
Sell just the bucket. Yeah. Boogie. Oh, I don't know. He had an Oogie Boogie. What is this? Bro, let's go.
It's chicken.
Nobody wants Bane.
I hope you find that gold brick.
You're leaving me?
I am leaving you.
All right. I don't know. I might stick around for a little bit, see what the afternoon's like. But
Since
see,
I'm
man.
out here, they've been rotating pretty steady, so.
Yeah, we'll check it out. All right, Larry. I'll see you later, man. Scrabble sensor. I've never seen this in my life. Think it's good? Probably not. $16. Ooh, aren't these good? Stained up though. Let's go. Sleep number. Where's the remote? I thought that was a jelly for a second. Mary Meyer. All right, y'all. We had a nice little time over at the outlet today. I'm going to go over the few things that I picked up. It's still not great over there, but I found a couple things that I'm excited about, so let's get into it. I got a turtle. I got Bane. I got this little USB VGA adapter, I think. Don't really know what to expect from that. Picked up 2 remotes. I think they're about 10 bucks each. So I sold one of these pretty recently, but it had the Army Men inside of it. This is the Bucket O Soldiers from Toy Story. I just grabbed this. I think maybe I could get 10, 15 bucks just for the bucket. I got this little plush pixelated Luigi. I got this little monkey puppet. I was pretty excited when I found this because what I saw, it looked like it was in great condition, but inside of it, there was, I don't know what was inside of this thing, but this Popples, it's got like, it had like a little thing inside it. I don't know what this is. I'm hoping I can clean this up, but yeah, Popple. Got this little circus baby Funko from Five Nights at Freddy's. I almost threw this one back because when I found it, I thought it was really cool because I've never seen it before. And I still grabbed it even though it had this little damage right here. But it looks like this thing is worth a little bit of money. Looked like in good condition, people were getting like 50 bucks for this Piranha Plant hand puppet from Mario. It's made by Uncute, but it was released in 2021. Other than this spot right here, which is pretty bad. I mean, it's a gash. It's in pretty good condition other than that. So I figured if good condition, it's selling for 50. If I could get 30 with that hole, that's fine with me. 25, whatever. I thought it was too cool to throw back, so I'm just gonna take a chance on this one. Oh, yeah.
What the hell is even that?
And then, yeah, I found another Jellycat. This is a Bashful Dragon Lovey security blanket. I think it goes anywhere from like 25 to 35 bucks. So that's a nice little Jellycat score. I just keep finding these things. All right, that's all I have for you guys right now. It's good to be back. I hope everyone's doing well. And until next time, guys, take care and keep the thrift alive. I don't really know what's going to